man in Noida consumed protein powder that he bought online from this company, he got stomach and liver problems along with breakouts on his face. Later, the police found out that the protein powder was fake and busted a company within just 10 days of its operations.
करीब 50 लाख रुपए का सामान इनके पास से बरामद हुआ है।
Here's the full story which unfolded in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Atim Singh, a Noida resident, had bought protein powder from this company, but he fell sick after using it. Then, he filed a police complaint on 9th December 2024.
इसमें कुछ कंप्लेंट्स हमारे पास आए जिनको प्रोटीन पाउडर कंज्यूम करने के बाद जिनको हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स हुए।
The police traced the protein powder back to a factory in Greater Noida.
थाना सेक्टर 63 पुलिस द्वारा एक फर्जी बॉडी बिल्डिंग सप्लीमेंट और फर्जी प्रोटीन पाउडर बेचने वाले एक कंपनी का पर्दाफाश किया है। इस कंपनी का नाम रॉ रेज है और इसमें 3 लोगों की गिरफ्तारी सुनिश्चित की गई है।
There are several ways in which you could check whether the protein supplement that you're using is authentic. One is to check for the license sticker on the packaging, which includes the date of manufacture, import date, rate, etc. Another way is you could scan the packaging for spelling and grammatical errors to figure out if the information on it is consistent or not. Then you could mix a scoop of powder with water at normal temperature and shake it well. If it forms lumps or leaves residue, it is likely fake. In 2023, clinical researchers from Rajgiri Hospital in Kerala and a tech entrepreneur from the United States conducted an analysis of 36 protein products that were being sold in India. The study found that 69.4% of the products were mislabeled about protein content, meaning it projected more protein content than what was actually found in the products. 5 out of the 36 products contained fungal toxins and 3 products contained pesticides. In the Noida case, DCP Avasthi said the police found 3 men filling up empty bottles with protein powder at the factory. A large number of boxes filled with fake protein powder labeled the athlete's Complete Nutrition were found in the basement. When we inquired if they had a license, the men had no answer, he said. Since protein powders come under the health supplements category, a Food Safety and Standards Authority of India license is necessary. Since the factory runners didn't have a license, they were arrested. The accused were identified as Sahil Yadav, Harsh Agarwal and Amit Chaube, all residents of Ghaziabad.
ये लोग यहाँ पे अभी कुछ महीने पहले ही शिफ्ट हुए थे। ये लोग पहले भी किसी प्रोटीन कंपनी में नौकरी करते थे जिससे इनको आइडिया आया और इन्होंने इस तरह का काम करना शुरू किया।
Sector 63 Station House Officer Avdesh Pratap Singh said, after learning the process of making powder, Yadav apparently got an idea to make protein powder from cheaper materials and add adulterants to make more money. Sahil Yadav and Harsh Agarwal opened the factory on 1st December 2024 and hired Amit Chaube as the manager. They were selling the fake protein powder for around 3,500 rupees a kg, said DCP Avasthi. SHO Singh said the accused invested 1,800 rupees for a 2.5 kg pack and sold it for 8,500 rupees. Among the things the police retrieved from the accused were 33 boxes of adulterated protein powder and 2,050 boxes of capsules.
इसलिए इनका सामान जब्त करके इसमें आगे श्रृंगार धाराओं में मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया गया है।
FIR was registered under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita sections dealing with cheating, which is punishable by a fine and a jail term extending up to 7 years, and criminal conspiracy, which draws a maximum jail term of 6 months with fine or with both.